As of today, yung kanyang pwesto is cephalic. So, ito yung kanyang cranium. So far, we do not see any mass outside the skull or the cranium, no?
Okay po.
And then, these are the internal brain structures. I do not see anything suspicious at the moment. Measurements are according to age.
Yes.
And then, yung kanyang face, this is the frontal view of the face, the eye area, the nose area, the mouth area. This is the butas ng ilong, upper lip, lower lip, baba. I do not see any suspicious cleft lip, no? So, walang bingot. Ayan siya. In another angle, ito yung kanyang lips, upper lip, and the lower lip. So, this is the side view of the baby, no? Medyo sa latter part, mas maganda yung angle. This is the chest cavity showing the 4-chambered heart, including the lungs surrounding the heart. Wala tayong nakikita ang accumulation of water or any suspicious bukol sa kanyang lungs. The heartbeat of the baby is within normal, no? So, this is the angle of the heart kung saan doon sa mga angle na nakita ko, I did not see anything suspicious na large holes at the moment. So, hopefully, hanggang paglabas, wala din. Okay? So, this one is checking the outflow tracts or dinadaanan or daloy ng dugo inside the heart. No? So far, I do not see any suspicious abnormality at this time. No? The outflow tracts are in opposite direction. So, hopefully, hanggang paglabas, walang maging presentation na may butas sa puso. No? So, this is the body of the baby showing the chest cavity is separated from the abdomen through the diaphragm. No? The thin black line is the diaphragm. So, the heart must be separated from the liver and na-achieve naman ni baby. The small intestines and the urinary bladder are in their proper location. No? So, further check. So, this one is the buto sa hita, dalawang binti. Sa kaya natin makita, the toes appears complete. And then, in another angle, dalawang paa, happy feet. May happy feet with chinelas. Okay, so this one is the buto sa braso, dalawang kamay. Sa kaya natin makita, the fingers appears complete as well. Okay? And then, I'm checking yung ngala-ngala niya dyan. Medyo inuuga-uga ako para makita ko yung ngala-ngala. So far, I do not see any suspicious cleft palate or butas sa ngala-ngala. Okay? So, very good. And then, so these are the eye sockets, no? Lalagyanan ng lente ng mata. So far, I do not see any suspicious catarata. So, this is the better side view, the forehead, the nasal bridge, the upper lip, the lower lip, and the baba. We call it the midline profile in its proper orientation, no? Again, the orbits containing the lens. So far, they are equal in distance. And better angle of the palate or the alveolar ridges, no? So, it appears normal. So, this is the spine of the baby, simula sa batok down to the puwet. Wala tayong nakikitang suspicious bukol na nakalawit. The skin is intact. Okay? And then, again, the angle of the heart, the 4-chambered heart. I do not see anything suspicious at the moment, no? So, yan pa rin po yung aking checking of the outflow tracts in another angle. We were able to visualize 2 kidneys. That's the normal also. And then this one is yung kinakabitan ng cord ng baby kung saan tinitingnan kung may nakalawit na bituka. So far, as of today, we do not see any nakalawit na bituka. So it's the cord na nakikita natin at this time, no? And then the rest will be for the gender. Okay? So in 65 to 75%, we did not see anything suspicious.